it's Dave with Regal Fabric Care. We're in the Boston area and we clean all soft furnishings. This is a quick tip if you ever have mattresses like we have here at our shop when we're just north of Boston that you need cleaned. These pieces, this king, these two full mattresses and these foundation pieces were all involved in a flood in an apartment complex in the city of Boston. These came to us after being wet for about 24 hours. And what I want to leave you with is the quick tip: at any time a mattress, something very thick and dense like this, gets wet from a flood of any kind, it must be dried quickly. Before you attempt to clean it, before you attempt to sanitize anything to make them usable, you should put them in a dry room, whether it's off location, meaning in a shop like this, or in the structure that they got flooded, and dry them quickly. They should be dried overnight. Within 24 hours, they should be bone dry. Then you assess it for cleaning. This piece, for example, has a lot of yellowing, which is common. It's what we call water marking or yellowing and browning from the flood. It absorbed some dirty water that came and flooded it. That's all going to be cleaned out. We're going to sanitize everything and have them brought back to the customer for use. They'll be as clean, if not cleaner, than when the person bought them new. You have any questions, leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget, if you love our videos, subscribe to our channel. Until next time, keep your mattresses clean.